case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case arose from claims of fraudulent misstatements and omitted critical facts made by a stockbroker and co-worker which, according to the customer, led to a direct loss of approximately $34,000. An arbitration panel composed of 5 members, 2 in the securities business, 3 not, was assembled to review the case. Despite hearing from 3 witnesses and reviewing documentary evidence related to the case, the panel dismissed the customer's claims and added salt to the wound by assessing a cost of $240 against him. Further, they offered no explanation for their decision. Disgruntled by the panel's ruling and the lack of transparency surrounding it, the customer sought to overturn the arbitration award. He argued that the decision was not only unlawfully procured, but was also counter to public policy. In response, the district court sent the case back to the arbitration panel for an explanation of their decision. The court felt that the panel may have neglected to consider the federal securities laws in their assessment. The matter escalated to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, where the heart of the dispute became about whether an arbitration panel is required to explain its decisions. The court battled with questions concerning the transparency and accountability of arbitration rulings, asking whether an award that didn't issue some explanation for the panel's decision, especially in cases involving federal securities law standards, could be discarded and reevaluated. In their ruling, the Court of Appeals came down hard on the district court. They held that the lower court was in error for demanding an explanation from the arbitrators. Arbitration awards, they argued, typically do not require a rationale, just a decision. Remanding awards for clarification is to determine if an issue has already been decided, not to find out the arbitrators' justifications for their decisions. Thus, the Court of Appeals returned the case to the district court, however, this time with a clear directive. Arbitrators' decisions do not require explanations, a ruling that is sure to set a precedent for future arbitration cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.